I'm putting together this order for one of my most loyal clients in the US. As I was preparing it, I started reflecting on the lessons I've learned as a crochetpreneur. First selling online since 2020 and then moving into a physical store while still maintaining a strong online presence. I opened the physical store earlier this year and I must say, this year has been challenging, but yet one of the most rewarding years in my journey as a crochetpreneur. Having a strong online presence gave me a global community. Without it, I wouldn't be packing this order and sending it to the US. My physical store gave me visibility in a different way because people are able to walk in, touch the yarn, and connect with me. Balancing online and offline has made my brand stronger. I share tutorials behind the scenes and connect with potential clients globally. At the same time, I get to build a local community. And the biggest positive out of this year has been how resilient I am. This year has shown me how strong I am. And this is the biggest positive of them all. Balancing both hasn't been easy, but I keep adapting and moving forward. There are days that I wish that I maintained my online presence alone, that I continued working from home because that was easy. But I wouldn't want to go back. I want to keep pushing. I want to keep being persistent. I want to keep showing up both offline and online. Running online and offline at the same time means double the work. Some days I'm posting content, I'm managing orders, and still dealing with clients in store. Inventory has been tricky. Online, I used to make on order, but in store, people expect to find ready-made pieces, and balancing the client's orders with creating an inventory for the store hasn't been easy. And of course, sales go up and down, but I have learned that marketing never stops. You have to keep on showing up and keep on connecting. So here I'm just putting the pieces together, then I'll take them to DHL where I'll get them weighed, and after that I'll be able to get the total amount of the shipping fee that the client is supposed to send me. Hi. US.
Hizo peke yake, you still have an allowance kisha 2 kilos.
Ikiwa hivyo
Itakuwa 17,493.
na ikiwa 2 kilos
14,510.
2.5 hivyo. Like sasa nataka tu confirm ndio atume the shipping fee ndio nikuje sasa we fold them. Back in the store, I fold the pieces and put them in packaging bags, but I'm not completing the packaging here because at DHL, they'll still open the parcel and look through it, so we're going to pack from there. As I finish packing this order, I realized that consistency and resilience are everything. I've faced many challenges, but I keep on rising and building La Densa Crochets. Being a crochetpreneur isn't just about yarns and hooks. It's about patience, strategy, and community. And every order like this reminds me why I keep pushing, why I'm persistent, why I keep going despite all the challenges that I may face. To my client in the US, thank you so much for being part of my journey. From just starting with a hook and a dream to shipping internationally, I'm grateful for every client that has supported me. Because without you, I wouldn't be here. If you're just starting out, do not be afraid of small beginnings. Most of us start from there. Every order, every post, every late night of work adds up. So keep going. Imagine you're going to surprise yourself with how strong and creative you really are. Yes, you are. When I started out, I didn't imagine that my work would be traveling across the world. I was crocheting for fun, and then I would post a few things online. And now, I'm running both an online platform and a physical store. It hasn't been easy, but it's been worth every step. Like, I'm living my dream. Every challenge that I have faced, whether it was low sales, inventory struggles, or just feeling overwhelmed, has forced me to grow. I've learned that growth does not come from comfort. It comes from showing up every day, even when it's hard. And I haven't done this alone. I've had you, my community. Whether you bought from me, shared my post, or just cheered me on, you're part of this journey too. If you're chasing a dream, don't stop. Your small beginnings can turn into something beautiful. And if you love crochet, keep following along. I have so much to share, both online and in store. If you would like to connect and build a community together, tupatane Ubuntu Echo Lounge on the 27th of September.